Imagine this. Two people try to learn a new skill, say playing the guitar. One struggles for months feeling stuck. The other, within weeks, they're effortlessly playing songs. What's the difference? The secret is meta-learning. Learning. How to learn efficiently. And today you'll discover the science-backed techniques that will help you absorb knowledge faster than ever before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply these strategies to any skill, whether it's mastering a language, picking up coding, or excelling at school. Let's dive in. Meta-learning is essentially learning how to learn. It's understanding the most effective way your brain absorbs, retains, and recalls information. Think of it like a video game. Once you master the controls and mechanics, you can pick up any new game much faster. The same applies to learning. Once you know how your brain works, you can optimize the process. So, how does the brain learn? Your brain has an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. It forms new connections every time you learn something new. The stronger these connections, the better you remember. But there's a catch. Your brain is also wired to forget. Psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered the forgetting curve, showing that we forget nearly 70% of what we learn within 24 hours unless we reinforce it. To truly retain information, we need to leverage brain-friendly techniques. And that brings us to our 3 meta-learning strategies that will completely transform how you learn. First up, spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all at once, this technique involves reviewing information at strategically spaced intervals. A day later, then 3 days, then a week. Why does this work? Because every time you revisit something, you strengthen neural connections, like reinforcing a hiking trail in your brain. Let's say you're learning Spanish vocabulary. Instead of reviewing 50 words in one night, you spread them out over a week. This dramatically boosts retention. The second technique is active recall, and it's a game changer. Most people reread notes passively, but research shows that actively testing yourself is far more effective. Here's how it works. Instead of just reviewing your textbook, close it and try to recall key points from memory. Now this forces your brain to work harder, strengthening memory. A simple way to use active recall: turn your notes into questions. Instead of writing, photosynthesis is how plants make food, write, how do plants make food? Then test yourself. Finally, let's talk about interleaving. Instead of focusing on just one skill at a time, mix things up. For example, if you're studying math instead of doing 20 algebra problems in a row, mix in geometry and word problems. Your brain has to work harder, leading to stronger long-term retention. This technique is used by elite athletes and musicians. It prevents your brain from getting too comfortable and boosts adaptability. Let's put it all together. Imagine you want to learn Spanish in 30 days. Spaced repetition. Use an app like Anki to review vocabulary at increasing intervals. Active recall. You quiz yourself daily by covering words and trying to recall them from memory. Interleaving. You switch between listening, writing, and speaking exercises instead of just focusing on one method. Now, I challenge you. Pick one of these techniques and try it today. Comment below which one you're excited to use. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Mind Mastery Hub insights. Remember, it's not just about learning more. It's about learning smarter. See you in the next video.